Magpapa. Life's not perfect, but my brows are. Is my brows perfect? Hi Cykanikers! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you will be notified on my upcoming videos. So today, I'm so excited for such a pampering. It's not really pampering, but I'm here right now at the Happy Brow. So, they're first here in Ayala, and I'm so happy because I was invited to avail some of their services, and it's such a blessing, right? So, ang ganda ng mga ano nila, guys. Gagawin ko kaya yan tutorial, no? Ano? Blue brows. I'll be back and I'm going to tour you around at Happy Brows, and they're located at AYALA Cebu, 3rd floor. Okay? I'm going to tour you around, guys. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila. Tignan nyo. Ganda pa. Ganyan gusto kong brow. Ang ganda. Hi! Remember her, the beauty queen. Happy Brows. First time ko dito, so I visited their branch. Not branch, but Nailaholics and Hey Sugar. They're also available here at Ayala Center. And they're also available at SM Seaside and SM City Cebu. And this is the first time that I visited Happy Brows branch here at Ayala Center. So, I'm super excited! Guys, kita nyo yun? It's not you, it's your brows. Kilay is life. Word of the day, brow speaks louder than words. So if your kilay is not really good, then, you know, kilay is life. You need to fix it, girl. Yan. Another hugot, guys. Life's not perfect, but my brows are. Is my brows perfect? Yeah. Perfect bang brows ko ngayon? Sorry. Perfect ba? Meron akong tagyawat dito, guys. Sige na nga. Super daldal na. So, we're going to start. So, ito yung brows ko with, I use pala, ano yung pronunciation? Etude House yun. But then, I don't know, meron ng ibang pronunciation ng Etude House. But here in the Philippines, Etude House is pronounced as Etude House. So, yung ginamit ko na pang brows is Etude House. Hindi ako nag-brow gel kasi magpapaganda yung lola niya today. So, this is my brows. And then, I'm going to show to you the before and after later sa brow threading. So, bye-bye! Guys, so ready na ako magpapa-brows ang lola niyo.
Good morning, Ma. I'm Ashley.
Yes.
I'm your brow technician for today. Let's proceed your eyebrow threading.
Sige. Ay, my God! Meron pa ganun na lola. Sige. Guys, ito pala meron akong tagyawat dito at ang daming mga unwanted hair dito. Tapos kukunin to. Guys, update ko lang. Na-remove na yung na-remove na yung Etude House na brow pencil ko. And right now, ito, nasimula na to ng thread at ito, hindi pa. So, as you can see, merong mga unwanted hairs dito. Ito yung kukunin ni Miss Ashley. Yes, ito yung kukunin ni Miss Ashley. Tingnan nyo kung gaano ka, kilay ko, guys. So, I'll be back again. Ito na, guys. Ito yung nakunan na ng mga unwanted hairs at ito yung wala. So, check niyo kung anong difference. Maganda dito, di ba? This is not the final look. They're going to use an eyebrow pencil for the final touch, but as of the moment, tapos nang na-thread, so ito na, malinis na siya. So, we're going to take a picture, ganon. Binigyan ni Miss Ashley ng brown ang akin. Light brown. Ito pala yung ginamit nila, guys. Yung ano to? Kiss na brand. Meron din sila dito sa Happy Brows. It cost 499.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ito yan. Ito siya. Namumula pa ang aking Sige, tatapusin ni Miss Ashley yung kabila and I'll be back. So guys, ito na yung kilay ko. Kilay na trinetting at nag-eyebrow pencil at ganito na siya. How was it? So I'm done with my kilay. This is it. And next, I'm going to do my underarm and half leg. Yes. Magpapa. Wax ako ng underarm at saka sa legs. So I'm not going to show to you my underarm kasi nakakaya. Pinatubo ko talaga ito para dito. Ganon. Laig ako na kay ko. Ganon. Guys, I'm done with my kilikili and my feet. Tingnan nyo, Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Happy Brows. I'm inviting you all to come here and visit Happy Brows located at 3rd level, AYALA Cebu. We have here specialized on eyebrows. We specialize on waxing also. We also have products here like eyebrow pencil and castor oil. Thank you, Happy Brows! Guys, I was there sa Watson pero wala sila nung roller lip and cheek tint. So, right now I'm here at I'm here at Daiso. I'm going to buy some popsicle sticks because I'm going to make an ice cream for my kids. Ano kaya ang bibilhin ko? Ang cute na mga popsicles, guys. Naman yun. Paano gamitin lang? Paano kaya? Ang ganda talaga dito sa Daiso. Ang ganda talaga, nakakalula yung mga dito sa Daiso. Diyos ko. I'm looking for a popsicle stick na hindi ganito kalaki. Wala talagang body paint dito guys. Yung body paint ko from Lazada hindi pa talaga dumating. I think I need to say goodbye. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe. And please click the notification button so that you will be notified in my upcoming videos. So bye-bye for now! I'm here at the YouTube lounge pala. Tingnan nyo. So, wala namang internet dito. Plus, tambayan lang.